Hey guys, my husband ordered me an anniversary gift, and he was like, I want you to go ahead and open it. But I kind of want to open it together because I've never heard of this brand. It's from Lime and Lou. It sounds familiar, but I can't place what it actually is. So it says, Lime and Lou, your home is about to get limed. And I'm not really sure what this is, but let's open it and see what he got me for an anniversary gift. Okay, I think I cut all the straps off, so I think I've got it to where I can open it now. Oh, there's a piece of tape. Let's see what Lime and Lou is all about. Says, home is where the art is. Okay, so I'm thinking it's some kind of art. Just a little artsy gift from us to say thank you. Visit again soon for a wonderful and personal home decor. So, okay. Some kind of art it looks like. Oh my goodness, their packaging is amazing. Okay, I can see that it's some type of picture, but it's face down, so I don't know what it is yet. See, it's all strapped in like this, so their packaging is amazing. It's our wedding song. Oh my gosh. Our wedding song is Never Stop by Safety Suit, and it's got all the lyrics around it on this little vinyl. And it says, our wedding song, Candace and Brandon, 8616. Is that not so pretty and gorgeous? And this will go perfect by my record player. I absolutely love that. And it is such amazing quality. Let me take the plastic off. Oh my gosh. Such amazing quality, and I absolutely love that so much. It's got a real wood frame. You can hear it, it's really sturdy, and you can see on the back it's an actual canvas. It's on a little wooden frame canvas, so it's a framed wooden frame canvas. It's on actual canvas. You can hear it. So I love this. This is such good quality. And it's got every single lyric right there on the vinyl. And then it's got the name of the song right there in the middle. And then it says down here, our wedding song. So now that I know what it is, I want to look at their website and see everything they have to offer. They have an amazing variety of things. Oh my goodness. Okay, they've got luggage. They've got with like your own custom design on it. They've got, let me go back. They've got, of course, what we got here. They've got the canvases. Oh, and they can actually do, got these like neon pictures that you can do like your kids' pictures on. They've got this beautiful piece where it's actually got your picture. I'm gonna like do a little scroll over here of all the things that did you see my kitten run by? He's so cute. Oh, there's the other one. Anyways, I'm gonna put a little scroll here of everything that they offer on their website, because they offer quite a wide variety of custom frames and everything. And it's just a gorgeous website of all the things that they offer. A lot of art pieces that are very unique, that'll make your home it'll give your home that extra little special personal touch. Cannot wait to put this up on my wall. It is so beautiful, and I love the meaning behind it. He did amazing picking this out. I never would have dreamed of looking this up, so I love that he did, and this is so sweet. This is beautiful. So be sure to give them a look. I'm going to put their link down below, so it'll be easy. You just go to the description box and click the link, and it'll take you right to their website, and you can have a look around their website as well. But yes, I wanted to unbox this on camera because I love doing unboxings, and this is so pretty. I'd never heard of the brand before, but I'm glad I have now, because I'm probably going to be ordering some more stuff, because I said something about I wanted personal frames, wooden frames for our living room. So I'm going to be looking on their website to add that to my cart very soon, because it is so pretty, and I love the personal touch that it gives your home. So thank you guys so much for doing this little unboxing with me. It is absolutely beautiful, and I'm very pleasantly surprised. If you like unboxings and you like decor and style and beauty and all the fun things, be sure to like and subscribe, and leave me some love down in the comments below. Let me know if you've tried anything from Lime and Lou before and what you think about them, and check out their website and come back and tell me in the comments what caught your eye, because I'm going to be looking around as well. So thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.